In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create filters in Glide. Filters let you control exactly which items your users see, so you can display relevant content, hide out-of-date entries, or tailor views for different scenarios. Think of a filter as a simple rule that determines what stays visible and what doesn't, based on the data powering your app. First, go to Glide. Open your browser and head to the Glide site so you can access your projects. If you're new to Glide, remember that everything in your app connects to a data source, and filters will use that data to include or exclude items. Next, sign into your account. Use your normal sign-in method and wait for your dashboard to load. Once you're in, you'll see your existing projects and any recent apps you've been working on. Now, open the project you want to edit. Click into the specific app where you want to control what users see. This takes you into the builder, where the preview is on one side and your configuration panels are on the other. On the right sidebar, go to Options. The right-hand panel is where Glide centralizes settings for components and collections. Options is the area that contains the controls for visibility and filtering. Open it so you're ready to add your rule. Click Add Filter. This brings up the interface you'll use to define your condition. Filters compare a column from your data to a value you choose. You might match exact text. Check if a number is greater than a threshold. See whether a date is before or after today, or confirm if a Boolean value is true. Now add your filter. Choose the column that holds the data you care about. Pick the condition that fits your goal, and set the value. For example, you might show items where status is published, price is less than a certain amount, or date is on or after today. As you configure the condition, watch the preview update so you can verify the results in real time. If your list disappears, your rule might be too strict. Try a broader condition, or confirm the value matches your data exactly. Keep in mind that text comparisons are precise, numbers are treated as numbers, and date comparisons rely on valid date formats. You can stack multiple filters later to refine results even more, but start simple and adjust as needed. Glide applies changes immediately, so there's nothing extra you need to save here. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.